It is a great satisfaction to greet you again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following. How do I know if my dog is in labor? 10 signs. Although not always easy to spot, there are some signs that a bitch is going into labor soon, and it is essential to watch for these signs. Let's talk about 10 signs that labor is soon to happen. 1. You saw the skeletons of puppies in an X-ray. By day 45 of pregnancy, the pup's skeletons can be seen on X-rays. This is generally a cheaper, more accessible, and more reliable method of determining pup numbers. If you can see the puppies on an ultrasound, you can estimate that your female dog is at least 45 days old and could go into labor within the next 2 to 3 weeks. 2. She is 58 days pregnant. Just like people, some dogs may go into labor a little earlier or later. However, since 58 days is the marker at full term, it is recommended that you monitor your dog's actions once she reaches this milestone. If it has been more than 70 days since breeding and labor has not started, this may be an indication that something is wrong and you should seek immediate veterinary attention. 3. She is digging and scratching the blankets. You may notice that she digs or scratches your bedding or blankets. She may even carry her bed or blankets around the house, finding her place to receive her puppies. Pet owners are urged to allow their pregnant dog to perform these movements, as it can decrease her stress. 4. She is spending more time in or near her crate or whelping area. When a bitch begins to nest, she is creating what vets call a whelping box or area. Usually this is a comfortable, warm space, away from foot traffic, noise, and other pets. In short, it is simply where she feels most comfortable giving birth. It is best to set up the whelping box a week or 2 before the due time to allow the mother to become familiar with it and feel safe having her puppies there. 5. She has lost her appetite. There are many similarities between human labor and canine labor, including loss of appetite and increased vomiting. She may refuse her food, eat less, and have an upset stomach as labor approaches. You can offer him a bland diet of cooked, boneless, skinless chicken breast and cooked white rice, no seasonings, or give him a prescription bland kibble or canned dog food. It is important not to force feed her and to make sure she has access to water and soft food in case she wants to eat it. However, if the vomiting worsens or does not stop after 24 hours, contact your vet. 6. Her temperature has dropped. One of the biggest signs that a dog is about to give birth is when her rectal temperature drops below 100 degrees. When this happens, labor is more likely to start within 24 hours. A typical adult dog's temperature ranges from 100 to 102.5 degrees, but her body heat will change as she prepares for delivery. 7. She seems restless and uncomfortable. Most owners will first notice the behavioral changes in their pregnant puppies. This usually looks like panting, pacing, digging, or shaking. When these signs are present, it is likely the start of uterine contractions, and they usually last between 6 and 12 hours. 8. She is clingy or aloof. Labor and birth are painful experiences for dogs, and everyone responds differently based on their personalities. Some pups will seek comfort, while others will become very reclusive. Give her space and privacy if she wants to be alone. On the other hand, be patient and give her lots of love and attention if she chooses to be with you more often. 9. Her mammary glands are enlarged. Another clear indicator that labor is progressing is your dog's mammary glands. Some will suddenly enlarge and milk may begin to be expressed. Be gentle when examining this part of your pup's body, as she may be sensitive and uncomfortable. 10. She is trying hard. The second and third stages of labor are when the puppies begin to be born, so you'll probably know she's in labor when you see her tension. A pup is usually born every 45 to 60 minutes, followed by 10 to 13 minutes of vigorous exertion. It's not uncommon for the mother to take a break during the labor process, and it can last up to 4 hours. However, if the rest lasts more than 4 hours or if the mother is exerting herself for more than 30 minutes, this may indicate that something is amiss and you should seek immediate veterinary attention. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend, a hunt, and until the next video,